Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by signing into Amazon and navigating to Accounts and Lists. Open your lists. Once there, create a new wish list or pick an existing one and set its name, privacy, and preferred shipping address so items add with the right defaults. Make sure to install the Amazon browser button or enable the App Share extension, because that lets you add items from product pages instantly. Now that your list exists and tools are ready, move to finding and adding the first items. You now add items with attention to detail. Open each product page, choose size, color, quantity, and seller when options appear, because the wrong variant can arrive. Then use the Add to List menu beneath the Buy box and confirm the correct wish list is selected. Don't just click Add to Cart. Once added, edit the list entry to add notes, set priority, and specify desired quantity or gift preferences so others know exactly what you want and why. To finish, set the list privacy to public, shared, or private depending on who should see it, and then share via the provided link or email so friends can buy from it. Make sure to regularly manage the list. Remove duplicates, mark items purchased, and update quantities or shipping addresses as needed. If an item fails to add, clear your browser cache, retry using the Amazon button or App Share, or add the item's ASIN manually to ensure it appears.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.